take it from somebody who already has the experience. It's a divine way to do something. And with a proper perspective on how to do the thing you're trying to do, especially when it comes to healing a body, mentorship is going to be required. Whether that mentorship comes from your ancestors, spirit guides, from God, or from going to a university, getting that knowledge, It's all about understanding that the more information that you know, the more power you have in manifesting your reality. Come on here now. Is we talking? So, it's all about us learning our ancient traditions. Once we relearn those ancient traditions, we understand how to create these types of healing necessities that we all need back into our daily lifestyles. It needs to be household information. I can live a little bit easier life by understanding how to properly grow a brand of something that's 100% alkaline and natural that we're providing to the world. So our key goal is to continue to create healers. And the more healers we create, the more people get to heal. Ooh, you better hear me. Hold on. I didn't even tell y'all about learning how to clean and leverage personal and business credit. That is also in this mentorship program. So understanding all three of those aspects of business, living a natural, alkaline, healthy life, and also understanding personal and business credit to have a firm foundation in this society. You understand, credit is, this mentorship will be nothing. All of this knowledge will be nothing if I don't give you the proper mindset to have. Understand today. Understand today that you can easily change your life by adhering to the information. Alkaline Herbal Business Mentorship. I'll see you on the inside.